Why isn't hiring a credit repair company enough? Or is it even the right step to even take? Attorney Michael Ziegler explains that. Hiring a credit repair company should be approached with caution. First, be mindful that the tools that credit repair companies use are tools that are available to consumers at no cost in terms of filing dispute letters. I would also caution against the practice that some credit repair companies use, in which they dispute on all negative activity on a credit report, whether it is objectively erroneous or not. This approach in some circumstances could be a fraudulent activity. Finally, credit repair companies are not licensed to practice law, so if there is an error that is not corrected through a dispute process, they are not in a position where they can file a lawsuit to appropriately address the issue. For that reason, if there has been a negative impact as a result of the improper reporting, then they will not be in a position to seek a recovery on behalf of the consumer. Contact attorney Michael Ziegler in Florida for a free case evaluation today. He founded his law firm on the principles of professional quality and personal care.